In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate pips directly on TradingView so you can quickly measure price movements and manage your trades more efficiently. Start by opening TradingView and loading up any chart you want to analyze. Once your chart is ready, look over to the toolbar on the left side of your screen. First, click on the Measure tool, which looks like a small ruler. This tool works like a digital ruler for your chart. Click on the point where you want to start measuring, then hold and drag your cursor to the point where you want to end. When you release, you'll see the pip value displayed along with the price change and percentage. This is one of the fastest ways to check how many pips the market has moved between 2 points. Next, you can use the price range tool, which is also located in the same toolbar. It usually appears as an icon with arrows pointing up and down. Click it, then select your starting point and drag to your ending point. Once you let go, the pip distance will be shown again, but this time with a highlighted range on the chart, making it easier to visually understand the movement between those levels. Another powerful option is the short or long position tool. These tools allow you to simulate trades directly on your chart. After selecting one, click on your entry point and adjust the stop loss and take profit levels. As you move these levels, TradingView automatically shows the pip risk and potential reward, helping you plan your trades more accurately without doing manual calculations. With a bit of practice, these tools make pip calculation quick, visual, and effortless, whether you're analyzing past movements or planning future trades. And that's it. You now know how to calculate pips on TradingView using simple built-in tools, making your trading analysis faster and more precise.